Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring power and responsiveness. If battery is low, charge to at least 20% so the phone won't cut out mid-process. Once done, remove any case that might press buttons. This avoids accidental inputs. Now press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, because entering and exiting safe mode uses the reboot options. Make sure you note running apps briefly so you can verify them later. This saves time if an app caused safe mode. You now attempt the actual exit. Tap Restart from the power menu and let the phone boot normally, because a simple reboot often clears safe mode. If the boot still shows the safe mode tag, hold power again and select Restart one more time. This forces a full reboot sequence. Make sure to inspect the volume and power buttons. Stuck or dirty buttons can trigger safe mode at boot, so clean crevices and unstick any pressed keys before retrying. If you still see safe mode, you should uninstall any apps installed right before the issue, because faulty apps often force safe mode. Once removed, reboot to confirm normal startup. If that fails, back up data and consider a factory reset via settings as a last resort, since that clears software causes. Troubleshoot by booting into safe mode intentionally. Hold volume down during boot to test whether third-party apps are the culprit. If normal
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.